The Husky liner's exact contour perfectly matches the contours of your truck or SUV and brings together indestructible strength with a soft, comfortable cushion. Whether you're installing them for the first time or the 1000th time, cleanup and installation is a snap. First, open your new Husky liner's exact contour package and remove the liners from the box. If you're replacing existing floor mats, please remove them from your vehicle. Examine the driver's side floorboard and look for the factory floor mat retention posts. Slide the driver's side liner into place and secure by pressing the liner down on the retention posts. Slide the passenger side floor liner into place. Lift the edge of the liner and install the supplied carpet retention post. Return the liner and firmly press on the carpet retention post until you've created an indentation in the carpet. Re-lift the liner, uninstall the carpet retention post, firmly screw the carpet retention post into the indentation, and complete the installation of the liner. If you've purchased a second seat liner for the back of the cab, please remove all items from the floor of the cab. Remove the existing floor mats, and then slide the second seat liner into place. Exact contour liners have been designed for easy cleanup. Both the DuraGrip material and form-fit design allow you to contain the mess until you can yank, dump, rinse, and repeat. It's that simple. From all of us at Husky Liners, thanks for watching. And for those who have purchased a new set of exact contours, we appreciate your business. We hope you experience many years of increased protection for your truck. Should you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact us at 1-800-344-8759.
Husky Liners, guaranteed for life.